These are fluorite ores from our customers. The raw ore grade is relatively high, but there are still quite a lot of gangues mixed in. The customer aims to upgrade the raw ore to over 90% calcium fluoride using jig separation. Today, we are carrying out a jigging test for this purpose. This material has been screened to a size range of 3 to 8 millimeters and then fed into the jig machine. The discharge from the upper outlet is tailings, while the material discharged from the lower outlet is fluorite concentrated. As you can see, the concentrate quality is very good and has already reached over 90% CaF₂. When we compare the concentrates with the tailings, the separation result is very clear. Now let's look at the fluorite material below 3 millimeters. The raw ore contains a relatively high amount of clay, so it is difficult to judge the grade before separation. After entering the jig machine, the material is washed during the jigging process. This is the tailings discharge. Almost no fluorite is visible, and the recovery remains acceptable. The fluorite concentrate is discharged from the bottom metal. There is almost no gangue left in the fluorite concentrate. Compared with the tailings, the concentrated grade is expected to be around 95%.